Hello and welcome to lesson number 1. You probably noticed that we don't begin with the alphabetical order. We begin with the easiest sounds. Today we are talking about vowels, a, o, u, e, and several consonants, b, p, v, f, m. Before we start, a couple of things I want you to understand. You probably already understood that Russian is divided into consonants and vowels. Russian vowels, unlike English ones, can't be short or long, but they can be under the stress and they can form a syllable. Syllable is like ma, va, pu, di, do, and so on. A couple of consonants together are not a syllable, like pt, bm, kr, and so on. So vowels form syllables. As for the consonants, in Russian they can be voiced and unvoiced, or sometimes you will meet the term voiceless, and in hard or soft positions. About this, we will speak in the future lessons. Today, I just want you to be familiar with the fact itself. Now, let's learn our first Russian sounds. And of course, we begin with Russian a. Russian a resembles the English sound a in the word father. But again, it's not that long. It's much shorter and it's stronger. A. Russian o somewhat resembles the English vowel represented by letters a, w in the words like warm, o, and law. But pay attention to your lips here. And actually, you should get used to the lips when you speak Russian will be closed like this a lot. Like in o, u, it's much stronger than in English, for example. So try o, and try it in front of the mirror so you can see if your lips are like this enough. O. Maybe you will need a little bit of training here. Same with Russian u. It somewhat resembles the vowel u represented by double o in English. U. But unfortunately, there is no pure equivalent of Russian u in English. But you can try with the words like wool or room, but still your lips should be much more rounded than in English. Ooh. Again, a mirror would help. Russian e resembles the sound e in man or let, but it's a little bit harder, a little bit stronger in Russian. And at the same time, your lips should be more closed than you normally have them in English. And you probably saw some jokes and parodies about Russians speaking as if their mouth is always kind of closed. Well, it's true in most situations, so you better get used to it. Something like that. Not that bad, but still. So, Now to the consonants, and I promise they will be fairly easy for most of you. Russian consonant b is absolutely similar to the English b in the words like bank or bolt. So try b. Russian p is a little bit more tricky because in English, aspiration is a very common thing. Aspiration, if you don't know, it's when you breathe a little bit together with pronouncing a sound, like pie. You hear that? Pie, pear. In Russian, it never ever happens. So if you notice that you do it while speaking Russian, get rid of it immediately. It never happens in our language. So what to do with the consonant P? Try the word please. Please. Aspiration is not that obvious there, so it resembles the Russian sound P. 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 Russian M consonant is similar to English as in words like man or moon, man on the moon, right? So practice M, M, M. Now we get to V consonant. It's pretty easy because it resembles English V, like in the words van or vlog, but be careful and never confuse it with the sound that W makes. W, yeah, W. Never ever happens in Russian. Russian V is very clear, very voiced, and very strong. V, V, V. And finally, F. Very easy and absolutely similar to English F in the word like fact or factory. F, F, F. Now, after watching the explanations, you can get to practice. Below the video, you will find the audio file. You can download it or you can listen to it on the site. And also you can download the transcript so you can look at it and read out loud without listening if you need to. So I hope these sounds will be very easy for you. Good luck!